Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking to add to your summertime fun and you need this awesome pool light from Merloly, this pool light adds so many different colors to your pool, making it fun not just for the daytime, but for night swimming. As you can see, the pool light is really pretty at night. It comes with everything that you need so that you can set it up and use it with an above ground or in-ground pool. We found that hooking it up to our pool railing was the easiest way, and we tried it out right from home and found it very easy to check out the lighting. It comes with a remote that you can use to change the light, and it has many different features. Or you can install an app on your phone so that you can control everything right from your phone. It has many different lighting options and speeds and different ambiances that you can create in your pool, making it really fun both for kids and for adults. The app is very responsive and it was very easy to download and easy to connect the light. Once you have the light installed, you can see that at night it provides a really pretty glow in the water, perfect for all of your summertime fun. It's so relaxing just to even look at the pool at night with those beautiful lights glowing. It's so fun also to go swimming with the light there. So if you're looking for a really fun and unique item so that you can make your swimming and your summertime more fun, check this out. But that's just my point of view.